और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले, बेल आइकन बजा दें। Shadows on the wall, noise on the hall. Life does not frighten me at all. Back dogs barking loud. Life does not frighten me at all. Back ghost in a cloud. Life does not frighten me at all. An old mother goes lying on the loose. They don't frighten me at all. Dragons berating flame on my counterplane. That does not frighten me at all. I go by make the song. I make fun when they run. I one cry so they fly. I just smile. They go. I laugh. Does frighten me at all. Tough guys fight all alone night. Left us frighten me at all. Mentors in the park, strangers in the dark. No, they don't frighten me at all. That new class where boys all pull my hair. Kissy little girls with their hair in curls. They don't frighten me at all. Don't show me frog and snakes. Don't show me frog and snakes. And listen for my scream. I am at all. It only in my dreams. I've got magic charm that I keep up my sleeve. I can walk the ocean floor and never have to breathe. Life does not frighten me at all. Not at all. Not at all. Life does frighten. Poet Maya Angelou. About the poem Maya Angelou, 1928 2014, is an acclaimed American poet, thriller, activist, and autobiographical. She is best known for her biographical volumes which focus on her childhood and early adult experiences. Start होते हैं. Chapter 10, Penguin Bear's lyric poem Kickstart. Have you ever seen a penguin? The poem describes an ancient Indian tradition in which a young bride will be carried to her new home in a palanquin. Written as a folk song, the poem describes how the palanquin bearer feel prevailed to carry the beautiful bride. Lightly we bear young. She soars like flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She flashes like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Gilly, oh gilly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear in her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. She is like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like her tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. About the poet Sarojini Naidu. 1949 was a poet, a politician, a freedom fighter, and administered her poetry and her the title of Nightingale of India or Bulbul in the Golden Treasure is a collection of some of her best known poems. The road not taken, theme life choice. R.M.E. The main theme of the poem, The Road Not Taken, is that human beings are confronted with and defined by the main idea of the poem is that the speaker is confronted with this fork in the road and must make a choice as to which route to take. Two routes diverged in a yellow mood, and sorry I could not travel both. And one traveler long I stood and looked on one as far as sky cloud, to where it went in the undergrowth. The look took the other as just as fair, and having perished the better claim because it was grassy and wanted where through as for that the passing there had one them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay English, no step had trodden back. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how well is on the adapted if sold never come back. I shall be telling with his sign. I shall be telling with these with some ages and adjacent to road diversity node, and I took the one less travel, and that has made out the reviews about the poet Robert Frost, one of the most celebrated poets in America. Robert Frost was one author of Churching and Often Dark Medicine session on universal themes and quintessentially modern poet in his adherence to language as it is actually spoken, in the philosophical complexity of his portraits, and in the degree to which his work infused with layers, ambiguity and irony. थैंक यू दोस्तों, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना भूलें ना। बाय दोस्तों, बाय, बेल आइकन दबा दीजिएगा दोस्तों।